Hello and welcome to another session. In this session, you are going to study about Python Pandas various functions on data frames. Let us see one by one each of them. Start with ideally import pandas as pt. Then you copy this data. This is in the dictionary format and press enter. And now you first check our data df1. First we create our data frame. df1 is equal to pt dot data frame, and in the bracket we will write our data1 and press enter, and we will check our data frame. This is correct. Now the next thing is how to apply this min, max, min, all these functions. See one by one on this. Suppose we write df1 dot min and bracket and enter. You see what in every column 2016, 17, 18, what is the minimum value? It is showing that. If we write here max, it will give us what are the maximum value in 16, 17, 18, 19, like that. Similarly, all these functions you can try here. If you write mean, median, mode, sum, count, all this will be retrieved. All these calculations will be done. Just you have to write the frame name and you have to mention the function name. Okay. And one thing new here is, if you want to how to add and column here. Let's see. Suppose we want to add delete this 2019 column, so we will just write del and df1. Okay, and we will write the name of the column. Suppose the column name here is 2019, so I will write here 2019 inverted commas and press enter. 2019 del df1 2000, don't press inverted comma. Now see, yes, and now df1, and see the answer. Column has been deleted. Now suppose if you want to add one column here, just we have to write df1 and in the square bracket we will write the new column 2020 and is equal to the new values. The values anything comma. Okay, but we have to write this in the list format and press enter. And if you write here, so this 2020 is created. So what you have learned here by this example, that is how to add or delete columns and how to apply various functions on data frames and retrieve the results accordingly. Here one mistake happened. I have written this in inverted comma 2019, because it is a number. We should not write here. We should write it like this, 2019. Okay. Thanks for watching.